Hello everyone. Today, I'll give you some very important information regarding your security and privacy. Your Android smartphone has well-hidden buttons that affect your phone's location, whether it's via Wi-Fi, mobile data, or network signal, as well as your GPS and Bluetooth. If you think you've enabled every privacy setting, you're very mistaken, because these settings are located in a seemingly secure location. But these settings contain a hidden signal scanner. If you want to be less tracked, to save battery life, and to avoid having an identifier constantly sending you unwanted data, then, of course, disable this signal scanner immediately. I'll tell you everything and show you right now. Be sure to give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and share with your friends. So, look, most people think they've enabled a lot of scanning features through Google Play, but in fact, there are also Google Play services. So, you need to understand that these are completely different things. Yes, there are also privacy settings, and it's a good idea to tweak them. If you haven't done so, watch my previous videos, I cover them in them. But there's also a second, very important slider, which is a good idea to toggle when you buy your smartphone, because, firstly, it drains your battery significantly, and it's completely useless. But the downside is that this setting grants numerous access rights that constantly detect your phone and try to transfer data between it. Even if you have some kind of lock that prevents this, there are still various loopholes through which someone can somehow access your data. And sometimes, the Android system itself tries to transfer more data than it should, without your permission. In short, be sure to watch the video to the end, and you'll be very glad you've finally disabled this tracking. To do this, you need to use the standard settings. Go to them. Now scroll down and find the section that applies to the entire Google system. This setting is usually found among all the general settings and is simply called Google or Google Accounts. Or simply type Google Accounts or just Google into the settings search, and you'll find all these services. You need to access these specific settings. Click on this line. Now look, there are recommended ones here. We absolutely don't need them. We need to go to All Services. Click here. Now scroll down a little and find the word Device. Since each smartphone model has different settings, and the Android system can also vary, this name may also vary slightly. On some smartphones, it's called Nearby Device or Search for Devices. It may also be called Device Scanning. So, if you can't find something by this name, be sure to search by another name or at least click in this section that controls the connection. If you click this line, notice that this slider will be enabled for everyone. And at the bottom, it will even show that scanning is currently in progress. Not all smartphones show this, but on my smartphone, it shows that it's scanning all devices that might be near me. So, imagine you're walking down the street, and everyone has a phone. There are also a lot of different Wi-Fi hotspots. Some have Bluetooth enabled, others have GPS. So, this device search is constantly running in stealth mode, trying to scan all objects that have Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, GPS, or other connectivity options, which can drain your battery. But there are also times when they're deliberately trying to identify you. In short, to prevent your phone from being tracked by other companies, or anyone else, be sure to disable this slider. Firstly, your phone will run faster, and secondly, your battery will drain less. And thirdly, you've significantly increased your privacy and can rest easy knowing no one else will connect to you at an inconvenient time. Yeah,